Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my very first video of 2025. I'm excited to be back. It's been so long, so yeah, I'm back. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a quick crochet braid hairstyle with some leave out on the side right there. So as you can see, I've already braided out the side part, which is the hair that I'm going to be leaving out. So right now I'm going in to work on the braid pattern. So this is it right here. I've braided the hair. So next thing, I'm going to be oiling my scalp using some scalp oil. So I'm just going in to oil the scalp. All right, so this is the braid pattern right here for the quick crochet braid. So moving on to the hair, today I'm going to be using just one pack of braiding hair, and also I'm going to be cutting it not too short, but I'm going to be cutting it into 5 equal lengths. So I don't want the hair to be too long and I don't want it to be too short. So I just want that perfect length that I can manage and wouldn't get in my way. So that's why I cut it into 5. So as always, after cutting the hair into 5, I pull on the ends to give me extra length. So now I'm going to be moving on into the fun part of this process, which is crocheting the hair. Take your crochet hook, pass it through the base of the braid. Okay, so now hook the hair, close the hook and pull it through. So use your fingers to separate the hair like this. So first you want to grab one of the strands and pull it through the loop just like this. So for the next step, you're going to grab both strands and pull them through the loop all the way. So now pull on the end to secure the hair in place. Pull on both strands to tighten the knot, just like this. Okay? So to crochet the hair, go find the bottom and top piece, then pass crochet through one side of the braid. See right there, passing the crochet hook through one side of the braid. Now I'm going to hook the hair, pull it through, separating the hair with my finger. I'm going to hook one end of the hair, pull it through, put it together like this. I'm going to hook everything and pull it all the way through. Okay, and also real quick, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up. All right, and also turn on the notification bell so that way whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. I'm going to be doing the knotless braid method for the last cornrow. For the knotless crochet braid, I'm only pulling half of the hair through the loop. I'll show you. You hook the hair, right? Close the hook, pull it through. So now you're going to be hooking just half of the hair. 1, 2, then pull it all the way through. So in order for me to have the knotless part on this side, I'm going to pull on the other end just to transfer the knot to the back right there. Pull to secure. Alright, so for this last part right here, I'm going to be connecting it to this one over here. Pass it through the hook all the way to the front of this braid, like this. And I'm going to crochet the hair in place. So that will pull it close together like that. Okay, so this is the last one right here. Just gonna flip it over. Alright, so after brushing the hair, I went in with my hot comb to reduce the volume on the braiding hair because I didn't want it to be too puffy. So using the hot comb helped to reduce the volume. And also I'm using a medium heat for this process. Okay, so I'm just gonna trim a little bit off the tip of the hair. Now, there. Okay, so I stretch out my hair using the same hot comb. So right now I'm going in with my flat iron to flat iron my hair. Okay. My hair is long, okay? It's all the way down here. Wasn't expecting it to be this long. So it's been 3 weeks since I made this crochet braid, so I wasn't able to film the final result after I was done recording the process on how to do the crochet braid. And since then I've had the hair in a low bun. I had it for like 1 week straight into a ponytail like this for 1 week, but I didn't lay the hair down, and after 1 week I wrap it into a bun and just left it. So now I have the time to film the final result. So I filmed the washing process, so I have a video showing you guys how to wash the hair. So I'll be uploading that video in a couple of days after this very one goes live. So I'm going to keep it for 1 more week, making it 4 weeks. So you can keep it for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, depending on what you prefer. All right, so this is it right here. We've come to the end of the video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.